So we were discussing delayed gratification. This one. Just one moment. Yes, and it says, I have questions for you, Snježana, so you can reply immediately. Are you a victim of compulsive shopping? Do you know what it means?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am victim. Victim. I am sometimes a victim of compulsive shopping.
Of compulsive shopping. Thank you. Okay, thank you for being honest. How about question number 2? It's rather long, so listen, and if there is something that you don't know, ask me what it means, okay? So let's start. Have you developed the tendency to always want to enjoy the now? Pratiš do sada?
Da.
And not have the patience to wait for the rewards, nagrade, that come from putting your money into assets, imovina. Dakle, hoćeš probati ti prevesti pa ću ja pripomoći da vidim samo dokle ide. Jesi li razvila tendenciju?
Jesi li razvila naviku?
Tako je, tendenciju, sklonost.
Tendenciju da uvijek da uživaš odmah.
Want to enjoy, da uvijek
želiš uživati odmah i nemaš strpljenja za čekanje nagrade koja dolazi iz
stavljanja novca u aktivu neku. Da raste.
Ulaganja.
Tako je, možemo reći od ulaganja. Umjesto da, možemo i slobodnije prevesti, dakle, jesi li razvila tendenciju da uvijek želiš uživati sada i ovdje, a nemaš pritom strpljenja da čekaš na nagrade koje će doći od ulaganja u neki instrument ulaganja. Okay, so what would be your reply? Do you have this tendency to want to enjoy something now? I want to buy this dress, these shoes now.
No. I don't have same behavior.
So you changed your behavior.
For one part of my money, I can wait for the rewards.
Aha, okay.
But
so you
yes, but one part of my money I spent as a victim of compulsive shopping.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. When I have problem, da li da kupim, kako kažem?
When I find myself in a difficult situation and don't know whether to buy something or not.
Yes. I call Natalia. Natalia.
I knew it.
She was waiting for it.
Today, I in all shop. Humanic on they has a very kako da to kažem?
Reci malo na hrvatskom onda.
Znači, u cijelom dućanu postojala je samo jedna polica gdje nisu bile snižena obuća.
Ok, Natalija. Shelf, non-discounted goods.
And of course, you found your shoes on that shelf.
Yes. And I have problem, but I have my friends Natalia.
Okay.
I call her.
So, Snježana, I understand what you are saying, but you are telling me a story that happened when? Was it yesterday, last week,
Today.
right?
No, that was today.
But
was
still,
today.
it's in the past.
In the past, yes.
And you are telling me everything in the present tense.
Present, yes. Yes.
Hello, Anne. Hello, Natalie.
Hello, Anne.
Officially, hello. Okay, so Snježana, let's do this sentence of yours just a little tiny bit. Evo, dok ste vas dvije bile odsutne, mi smo već zagrabile u 4. naviku milijunaša, odgođeno zadovoljstvo, delayed gratification, pa mi je malo Snježana svašta pričala. I sad u ovoj priči će presložiti Natalija. Sva sretna. Ovo što je Snježana, pomoći ćemo sve. Što je Snježana ispripovjedala, recimo, rekla sam riječ shelf je polica ili shelves. Police, množina. Stavljam pl, znači plural, množina. Pl, točka. I recimo možemo reći shoes are on discount ili are not on discount. Pa evo, trebam samo jednu rečenicu, tipa u Humanic dućanu sam vidjela krasnih cipela ali na policama, ali one, nažalost, kako god želite spojiti, ali one, nažalost, nisu bile na sniženju. Nešto u tom stilu. Evo, imate slobodu. Natalija, razmišljaj ti, ali i ostale mogu.
So, come on, Snježana, let's go.
A ti trebaš to pričati.
A, jel da? Nije dosta što sam ti pomogla da odlučiš da li ćeš ih kupiti, nego još i da pričam. Okay, she saw, she went to Humanic shoe shop.
Tako, i obzirom je to određena trgovina koja ima svoje ime, dobivamo, dodajemo joj d član, jer je baš određena trgovina, ne tamo neka žnj, nego the Humanic.
The Humanic shop, shoe shop.
Može, shoe shop, još bolje.
And she found really nice shoes.
Ja ću staviti and over there, she found.
Okay.
Onako malo uljepšavamo rečenicu.
Really, thank you. Really nice shoes.
A really nice, pazi ovo, pair of shoes.
Stvarno smo fini.
Yeah.
Da.
Okay.
Cipele vole biti u paru. Uvijek idu pair of shoes. Nije baš jedna ili
da,
shoe.
dobro je da su u paru. To je poželjno. But. It's always but. But this pair wasn't on discount.
Mm-hmm. But, ali nažalost.
Unfortunately, this pair wasn't on discount.
Tako je, vidite kako je lijepo stavila glagol u past tense. Nije bio na popustu. Be, pa onda was, were i been, jel tako? Was ili were. Ovaj par wasn't, čak i pravo lice. Wasn't on discount, treće lice jednine.
So she, da kažem, phoned ili phoned her friend.
She phoned me.
No, her friend. It's not me.
Dobro.
She's lying.
Mm-hmm. Po savjet, za savjet. Za. Baš ide
For advice.
da. For advice.
She
Meni je ovo dovoljno.
finds
Bravo.
Ok.
Dakle, obzirom je radnja završena, u prošlosti imamo glagol went u past tensu. Kako glasi njegov infinitiv? Od kojeg je to glagola? Natalie, be quiet. Od kojeg glagola je ovaj went došao?
be
Be was where? Been, ali went.
Go.
Tako je, to je glagol go. To je glagol go, went, gone. I taj went je past tense i zato je on i u ovoj rečenici onda da bude past tense. Okay? And over there she found. Evo ga još jedan past tense. Otkud je taj proistekao? Koji je to glagol u infinitivu?
find
Yes, find. Kako ide njegova promjena?
find found
Found.
Tako je. Correct. But, unfortunately, this pair wasn't. To smo rekli. Dolazi od kuda?
Be.
Tako je, be. I on se sklanja kako?
he was
Ili drugo lice?
Where.
Were, tako je, bravo. I past particip je
Been.
been, tako je. On this count, so she phoned her friend for advice. Evo ga, još jedan past tense i taj dolazi od kuda? Koji je to glagol u infinitivu?
found
Phone, tako je.
found
Phoned. Pravilan je, pa ostaje
found.
isti. Well, there you have it. Okay. Such a lengthy discussion, poduža rasprava, lengthy discussion about delayed gratification. Yeah, I want to know the rest of the story. What did the friend tell you? Should you go for it and buy the pair of shoes or not?
Her friend is, well, I know the lady. She's such a great woman.
Uh-huh.
In the middle of conversation, she just told her, yeah, but you need these shoes. Go and buy them right away. Maybe they will sell it to somebody else. So hurry, please
Hurry
go.
up, hurry
Yes,
up and buy
Go,
them.
take them. So I hope she did.
Uh-huh. And what
Did
did you
you?
do? What did you do, Snow White?
Did you?
Šta sam mogla?
Well, what could I have done? Šta sam mogla?
Yes. We found business result, kako kaže, poslovne opravdanje, kako se kaže opravdanje?
Justification.
Business justification for my new
Yeah, I
Of
know.
course.
You have to dress up to impress your new clients.
Yes.
Right?
Yes,
Of
I
course.
starting with my business. I will meet the people, come in her home, and I must be in new shoes.
Mhm.
I sad ti ja kao stara iskusna poduzetnica te pitam, jesi uzela R1?
A jebi ga nisam.
Ooh.
A imaju još jedne koje mi se sviđaju, budem za te druge.
Aha, aha.
Nemoj mene zvati. Ok.
Ok. Napisala sam još prateći ovu jako zanimljivu storiju. Pa što sam mogla učiniti? Ovako malo na engleskom je duža konstrukcija, ali što da radimo? What could I have done? Pa šta sam mogla?
Tako
I
je.
ovaj dress to success ili dress to impress. Obući se za uspjeh ili obući se da impresioniraš. Radi toga si cipele kupila.
Of course.
Of course, yes. We women understand it perfectly. Right. Let's move on to next question. Okay. So, yes, I would like to hear the two of you, Natalie and Anne. Are you a victim of compulsive shopping? And this means that you go and buy something that you want right now. Right now you want it. This can be a new automobile, flat screen TV, a new cell phone, a pair of designer shoes or any other shoes, humanic shoes, bags, or a new travel destination. Name the last few items you bought compulsively. Can you remember what it was you maybe bought compulsively?
Well, I didn't for sometimes. Some time. I really didn't.
What?
For
What?
a few months. Shop compulsively.
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 You didn't go shopping.
I really didn't.
You didn't buy anything compulsively.
No, not for some
Not
for
for some
few
time
months. Yes.
Well,
I
that's very
didn't.
good.